as you must be aware, most of you, that it's a legacy in Fidalgo. We celebrate a tribute to late Mohammad Rafi every year, and it's been continued since 2010 without fail. We are doing it, and it's basically a non-profit event wherein we want to promote the legendary singer late Mohammad Rafi. As you know, Mohammad Rafi Sahab was one of a legend in the playback singing in India, and he had his career span for nearly 36 years. The very first song he sung was Hindustan Ke Hain Hum from the movie Pehle Aap in 1944, and his last song was Sham Fir Kyun Udaas Hai Doston from the movie Aas Paas in 1944. In 1980. So it was a career span of 36 years, and he was born in 1924, 24th of December, and he demised on 31st July 1980. So continuing the legend, since he was one of the greatest playback singers till date India has seen, and he had equivalent command over ghazals, bhajans, different types of songs, classical singing, and we are taking the legacy ahead by entertaining the masses in Goa, and of course outside Goa as well, because we are also targeting many tourists. Now we are organizing a tribute to late Mohammad Rafi on 28th of this month, that is July, and the event starts sharp at 7 p.m. in the evening and goes on till late night after around 11 to 12 in the midnight. It is accompanied with lavish multi-cuisine dinner buffet, which is a part of a package. So basically we are just charging a nominal amount for our food costs to be covered. There's nothing that we want to do any profit out of it. This time we are also introducing a new artist with the name Mr. RK. He's from Mumbai. Basically he can do mimicries for nearly different 50 Bollywood voices he can take out. He is a mimicry artist, plus he is a comedian. So in between, like, he can just entertain the crowd apart from the songs. As you know, we are having Mr. Mahmood Hassan, who is going to play the songs of late Mohammad Rafi. Mahmood Hassan himself is a big name in the singing scenario of India, and he had been blessed by many. He has worked with many other prominent singers, like he has been with Mr. Ghazal Samrat Ustad Ghulam Ali. Mr. Ismail Darbar has praised him, and other legendary singers, like he has been blessed by Mr. Naushad Sahab also, along with Mr. Ravindra Jain, the renowned music director. So Mahmood Hassan himself is a big name in the industry as of now, and he will be accompanied with Srimati Chetna Sani. Both are from Baroda. The whole team is going to come, and they are going to make a memorable evening with different numbers they are going to play for late Mohammad Rafi. Mahmood Hassan will be accompanied with Chetna Sani. She is also a renowned playback singer. She has been in the industry for the last 20 years, playing renowned numbers of Lata Mangeshkar, and she was also performing here as well in the past years whenever we were celebrating this tribute to late Mohammad Rafi. Along with her, so there will be a duo like Mr. Mahmood Hassan and Chetna Sani. Along with that, just for the entertainment purpose and to make
RK will support.
RK is there who's supporting them.
He will anchor the show.
Yes.
There'll be solo and duet songs of Mohammad Rafi. So with the duet songs, there'll be Chetna who will be accompanying on Lata Mangeshkar songs, and we will have also duet songs, male duet songs of Mohammad Rafi with Kishore Da, and numbers like from Yama Yama, so with Kishore Kumar numbers, and so there'll be many. This time there is much that the audience can look forward to for this show, since we have RK. He's also a versatile singer. So along being a mimicry artist, he's a versatile singer, plus he's a stand-up comedian. So there's a lot that the audience can look forward to. That we are charging is rupees 7.
Not entry.
Not an entry fee, it's
Dinner
actually
coupon.
the dinner coupon.
Dinner coupon. We are charging for the dinner 700 rupees. Dinner coupon, which is covered by the program. There is no charges for it.
Basically, we are giving a lavish buffet and all the starters, and for that we are just charging a nominal fee, which will be non-profit again here. And entertainment as a tribute, we have included that. As every year we are doing it last 8 years.
And also to add up, we are having a beverage counter which will be cash and carry along with starters